Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set up Google credentials in n8n. So for setting up Google credentials, I have taken an example of Google Sheets. So I have two Google Sheets accounts. I will create a new credential. For this, creating a new credentials, click on create new credential and here it will ask you client ID and client secret. So let's see how to get this done. So for getting it done, we will go to Google Cloud Console, google.cloud.console, or we can directly search it and go to Google Cloud Console and go to here console. Yeah, and first here we have to create a project. I already created a project, my first project, but one more project, new project. Now we have to give it a name tutorial and we click create. After creating tutorial we will choose it here. So here is our tutorial. Yeah, so now after creating our project we have to go to API and service and go to OAuth consent screen. Now we have to click on get started. So now we have to configure our project. So let's we give our project name XYZ and we will give our email as support email. Then we have to choose audience and here we will choose external. Then next, then it will ask for contact information. Again, give your email and then next, and then agree, continue, create. And here and here our project is done. Now we have to go to clients, but before clients we have to install Google Sheets API. So for that we will go to the search bar and type Google Sheets and press enter. In a meanwhile this API result comes, we click on it and after it we have to click on enable to active this API. So now our Google Sheet is enabled. Now we will go to our consent screen again, go to clients and create a new client. In this we will choose web application. You can name it anything. I will leave it to default. Then here authorize the redirect URLs. Here we have to add this URL that is given as OAuth redirect URL. We just have to copy it and paste it here and after that create. Now here is our client ID and client secret. So paste the client ID and paste the client secret. Save it. Let I rename it as tutorial and then I will go to uh, audience. This is the last step for we have to add the user in test users. So basically if you want to access it via any email ID you need a test user enabled for that email. So we will choose our own email ID so we can log in it. Wait a minute. Let I try it again. And after clicking on save, we will good to go. And now we will go to n8n. Now here sign in with Google option is coming. We have to click on it, and here it is. Now it is asking, it is not a verified app, but we will continue. Select all, continue, and the connection successful. So now that is how we can use our Google credentials. And if I need any other Google app, for example, let's say I want to access Gmail. So for accessing Gmail, we have to search Gmail API, and after it we have to enable the Gmail API as we did for Google Sheets, and the same process applies to all Google apps. So yeah, our Gmail API is also ready. We just need to give it the same client ID and client secret to make it work. So this was the video on connecting Google Apps on n8n. If you have any query, you can ask me in comments, or if you need any type of help, you can mail me too.